What is heat? Heat is an atomic vibration. The more the atoms vibrate, the more heat is produced. Heat always flows from the warmest areas to the coldest areas, as indicated by the second law of thermodynamics. The heat from winter heating systems tends to leave an uninsulated home through the walls, the roof, the windows, and the doors. But the opposite happens in the summertime. Heat from outside tends to penetrate into an uninsulated house. Now, let's find out more about the Manti Ceramic microcoating. The ceramic microspheres that it contains are the same size as red blood cells, and when large quantities are used, they create a layer of ceramic insulation. These ceramic microspheres were invented by NASA during the 1990s to insulate some parts of the space shuttle. The insulating principle is called a heat shield. About 70% of the heat does not pass through the surface of the microsphere. Here's a practical example with a blowtorch to demonstrate the heat shield of the microspheres. The microspheres successfully block the passage of heat. That 30% of heat that manages to get past the heat shield ends up in the vacuum inside the microsphere. It is slowed down before it hits the second barrier of the inner wall. The polymers in the patented binder guarantee breathability, mechanical resistance, and elasticity while providing a moisture barrier and being fireproof. The nanometric components of the patent further inhibit the passage of heat. The Manti Ceramic production system, created by a certified European multinational, guarantees excellent quality control. Manti Ceramic is a supersaturated product and therefore contains a very high percentage of microspheres, unlike other products that contain larger microspheres, which result in a less effective molecule lattice. Let's look at the differences between a traditional insulation leather and Manti Ceramic. A traditional insulation layer works with thermal resistance and therefore can only slow down the passage of heat. On the other hand, Manti Ceramic works by forming a heat shield and blocks most of the heat from getting through. Now we can see the different thicknesses. A traditional insulation layer is normally 10 to 15 centimeters thick, and the Manti Ceramic microcoating is only a few millimeters thick. Even in the summer, it works in the same way. The heat from outside slows down through a traditional insulation layer. Instead, most of the heat is blocked by the Manti Ceramic microcoating. The difference in thickness is very clear. The result of thermal insulation with Manti Ceramic is high comfort in the wintertime and also in the summertime, which saves energy and safeguards the environment while improving comfort in your home.